Hello, everybody. I'm Cosimo from D&D Biotech, and I am now at RemTech Fair 2025 in Ferrara, Italy. And I'm very proud to represent the Miberin project at this very interesting fair that's focused on remediation technologies. I have been interviewed 1 year ago on the status of the Miberin project, and I'm very glad to give you an update on what we have been doing in the past year. So we continued our lab tests, and we started to work on our prototyping tests, and we are preparing for the pilot phase. During the lab phase, we also started to design and build the prototypes. So we have two different prototypes for two use cases. In the case of hydrocarbons, we have chosen an in situ technology that we treat both the saturated and unsaturated soil and the groundwater. In the case of HCH Lindane, we have chose ex situ technology for the treatment of HCH with dynamic biopile. The prototypes represent a first upscaling step of the laboratory test, and we are about to start them now, and we will choose after this phase the best performing cultures that we use in the pilots. Our focus in the project is the treatments and biodegradation of two contaminants. We have hydrocarbons on one side and HCH Linden on the other. This is just an example of a setup that we use in the laboratory. This is a microcosm experiment where we have soil, contaminated soil, that is inserted in this flask. The soil is added with nutrients, with water, with microorganisms, and then we follow the degradation by analyzing several parameters, and of course by doing a chemical analysis in order to understand the degradation efficiency. During the laboratory testing, we focused particularly on the use of a natural mineral, which is called zeolite, as a support and carrier for our selected cultures. So we are developing a technique in order to be able to put these two things together in order to enhance the activity of the microorganisms. We have recently finalized the design of our pilot units, which we will be building in the coming weeks. And we expect to start the commissioning by the end of the year and start the treatment by the beginning of the next year. We are very excited to move to this phase, as finally we will be able to test everything that has been studied so far by the consortium and see in real scale, in real life, what will happen. So please stay tuned for future updates. Many thanks.